Yeah. Now this is what it looked like when the LS swap guru get on them. Yeah, I saw how it looked before. Look at it now. She A1 Express. Yeah, I did that. I did that. Can't even see the computer. I did that too. I did that too. Gotta make some adjustments real quick. Start her up though. Right now. Yeah, the shifter working now, baby. Yeah, they see me rolling. They hating. What it do, boo? Hey, remember that gas station right there? Yeah. This the act right, bro. No power steering. Yeah, she do what she need to do now. Yeah. I gotta get off though, I'm not trying to. Yeah. Man, oh man, I'm trying to tell you. This shit is fast. It's nice?
Nice car, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good job.
Thank you, bro. I like it, man. It's fast, man.
Oh, you put those things on?
Yeah. Oscar, I sent him the link and he bought them. Look, the fan cut on.
Who buy this?
Oscar bought them. Everything on it, A1, man. Like I said, exhaust done by Vegas Pros 808. And then somebody else dropped the swap in, but I did a wiring harness in the fuel system. She out of here. Just wait for Oscar to get here, man. Come drive your car, bro. That's Lincoln Power Steering Pump. That wasn't for me. That's from the other dude that did that shit. They gotta put the the power steering is good. It's just missing the O-ring on the inside. That's why that shit leaking.
Oh, okay.
Yep. She A1, man.